And 5, Zach 6, and Charlie 7. Yeehaw! Here we go.
Get up here.
All right. Yeah, good call. All righty. We got cars. We got drivers on the tone. Drop them. On the tone. All right, looks like Shane and Randy sneak out in front. Oh, Randy gets the inside line.
Gary, where are you going? Thank you.
All right, Randy Cathcart out in the early lead. Shane in the 2 spot, Zach in the 3 spot, Mike Ringer 4. Shane does a little off for a surgeon, Zach does a little off for a surgeon. No, I'm kind of liking the buggies in this one. Oh, Mike Ringer gets around. Mike Ringer gets around Shane. Zach all wadded up. All right, so we got Randy out in front. Right behind you guys. Easy, boys. Come on.
Oh, man. He knew it was going to happen.
Everybody, the concept of this race is fun. That's sure is for a couple dollars, ain't it? It's like $4.
I don't think it's got a good turning radius. I don't know.
Hey, Jerry, I got a good idea. Just go straight past the bucket.
4 minutes left.
Oh, Zach stuffed the bucket. 2 minutes down, 4 minutes to go. Randy, Charlie McLeod up at the 2 spot. Mike Ringer 3rd. No, wait, what?
No, Gary.
Mike Ringer 2 spot. Shane 3rd. No, Shane 2, Mike Ringer 3rd. Sorry. Randy Cathcart out in front, though.
Oh, no.
There's Shane, your 2 spot tucked down the front straightaway. Mike Ringer coming down here. He's in the 3 spot, that powder blue buggy. Randy Cathcart in the lead, got probably about 3/4 of the track up on Shane.
3 minutes left.
Oh, Randy sticks it right in front here. I know a couple people are probably like, "Dude, I wish you would have missed that." Ta-da! Charlie stuck it. 3:30 on, 2:30 to go. Next up will be our last race of the day. That'll be the IHL Australian Pursuit. Randy, Chuck, Zach, and Charlie.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, we're upside down in sweeper. And Jack sticks over by the board. Randy takes the time to help him out. Good job, Randy. Oh, God, I got you, Sean.
Can't pop it on.
Zach's going to try that bucket for a second time. So I got this.
2 minutes left.
Okay, it looks like Mike Ringer up in the 2 spot now. Shane in 3rd.
There it is.
Let's foul for 2nd. Oh, Shane spins it out.
He's going to get around that bucket. Well, you made it around it. Oh, no.
All right, we got 1:15 to go in this one. 1:15 and mayhem left in this one. Randy Cathcart checked out in this one. He's in the back trailer going around that barrel. And
1 minute left.
the battle right now is for second. Oh, Mike Granger rolls as they last seen by.
Are you done or what?
Oh, he's done.
He said you could just go straight
That was some serious off-road, and we got 40 seconds left in this one. Looks like the battle's going to be for second once again. Oh, hello.
Uh-oh.
You're going the wrong way.
No mercy.
Name that movie, guys.
Oh, ow.
Absolutely correct. You're going the wrong way.
Trying to make up for lost time over there.
All right, time has expired. Finish the lap you are on.
Oh, I mean, because everybody looks like they're racing. What's that mean?
That means if you get passed by somebody, it has to say before start. It's announced by name, but if you get passed, the person who gets passed is out.
See ya.
So you keep going until everyone.
All right, Randy, Shane, and Mike are done. We're looking for Zach, Charlie, Chuck, and... No, Gary's done.
What are you doing, Gary?
All right, we're just looking for Zach and Chuck. Are they going to finish? Oh, Zach's trying to finish.
You see that one?
So they're not going to take it out.
No, it's buried somewhere else anyway.
All right, there we are.
Yeah.
Your race winner, Randy Cathcart. Second was Shane. Third, Mike Ringer. Fourth, Zach Johnson. Charlie McLeod, fifth. Chuck, sixth. And Gary, seventh.